Real estate agents, have you had offers rejected lately? Keep listening for some tips to make sure your buyers are in it to win it. I'm Kayla Montgomery, sales manager with the Reynolds team at One Sotheby's International Realty. On a call with our team coach yesterday, we talked about 6 mistakes buyers are making in a seller's market. I want to share these with you, but more importantly, what you can do to prevent them and make sure your buyers have the best chance at getting their dream property. Number 1, not making their best offer first. Now, obviously, if your client tells you they want to offer $420, but they may go up to $425, encourage them to start with a higher offer. A few other things to keep in mind would be to reach out to the listing agent to make sure you understand the seller's timeline. Things like closing date, do they need to lease back, and so on. Number 2, overanalyzing purchase price. If your clients are taking too long to decide whether or not the home is worth the price, they're likely to lose out. Be sure they understand that market price is what buyers are willing to pay, and if they aren't willing to pay it, someone else is. Number 3, working with an inexperienced agent. In this market, it comes down to skill and speed. If you're a newer agent, partner up with a mentor. If you don't have a mentor, get close with your sales manager so you have someone to advise on writing offers and negotiations. Use we when talking about your experience and support. Lean on your team or your company's expertise. Number 4, not being pre-qualified or pre-approved. I would actually push for pre-approval in this market because no one wants any surprises along the way and everyone's time is valuable. Of course, you'll have to build some rapport with your clients first and get them connected with a lender that you know and trust. Take the time up front so they're ready to go when they find the right property. Number 5, not being prepared for a bidding war. We all know inventory is low and buyer demand is high. Make sure your clients know this and what it means to them. They'll likely be starting at or above asking price. So for example, if they're pre-approved for $300, they shouldn't be looking at homes listed at $310. Set them up to succeed by setting the right expectations. And last but not least, number 6, is not learning from their mistakes. This one is pretty simple. Example, if they lost out on a home because they asked for a seller to pay title, encourage them to pay title on the next offer. So your goal is to make the buying process smooth and stress-free for your clients. Setting these expectations will go a long way. If you have any questions about writing an offer for your clients, please reach out. I'd love to chat with you.